guys, this unit I'm getting ready to take you to is a old Lennox unit. It was probably put in back in the early 80s. They used it for the upstairs office, and it's just a straight AC unit. Thing is this hadn't been used in years, and now they have decided to use the office, so they have called me to come out and see if I can get the thing going. It's pretty old, I've seen it before. So anyway, we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. I thought this one was pretty funny. It's an old Lennox. I don't know if you can see it right there or not. Yeah, old Lennox. They wanted me to just see if I could get it going. See those fan blades? Those things are rusty. Look at that. That fan motor is tight. Golly. It's got a hard start on it, so that's already a bad sign. The compressor runs. Of course, there's no fan, but they want me to try to fix it. So, I don't know. We may see what we can do. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Alright, I got it going. New motor, new fan blade, a new capacitor. It's running. It's pretty quiet, actually. Check the charge probably here in just a second. The suction line's already starting to feel cool, so I'll put some gauges on it and check it out. Okay, after being off for about 10 or 15 years, I'd say it's looking pretty sweet. Anyway guys, just thought I'd share another one. Later. Well guys, that was a hot and tiring job. Wasn't too bad, but anytime you work on old stuff like that, you got a lot of old rusty bolts and stuff that don't want to come off. That unit's in really bad condition. I had suggested to them that they needed to replace it, and as you can tell, it really does need to be replaced. But they needed some air now, and so I did what I could and I got it going. So anyway, on the fan was actually the opposite rotation of the fan that was on there. So having a reversible motor, I just reversed the rotation of the motor to the fan, and everything turned out pretty good. So anyway guys, I just thought I would share that with you. I haven't been doing too many videos here lately. I'm going to probably start going ahead and putting some more of them out. So anyway guys, just like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.